We've just had an installation of two 5,000 litre water tanks by Aussie Water Savers, and I will say that we are completely satisfied and happy with the job that they've done. Paul came out to do the quote and was thoroughly professional, went through all of our requirements and came up with a proposal for us. Then Anthony and his team and Paul came out, did the installation in one day, and everything has met our requirements. We're thrilled. I'd say probably the best aspect of the whole exercise was that Aussie Water Savers are an end-to-end solution. No need to get separate quotes from plumbers or electricians or tank suppliers. Everything was covered in the quote, and they coordinated and implemented the entire solution, and we couldn't be happier. So I'd thoroughly recommend Aussie Water Savers.